we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back.
Got 2 Amazon packages. I already opened them and I already know what they are. This one is a blind box. It's a Rilakkuma blind box, but it's the Halloween version. I'm really sad that I didn't get the one that I wanted. I really wanted the ghost. He's really cute. I tried twice, and the first time I got the witch, which was the one that I didn't want at all. So I returned that one, and I actually got a new one. And this is the one that I got. It's a little pumpkin. I don't know, I didn't really like him at first, but he's kind of growing on me a little bit. I don't know. I'm feeling like the whole Summerween vibe right now. I don't know if you guys have like seen that like trend on TikTok where it's like Summerween. So I'm watching Nightmare Before Christmas actually. Thing is not for me actually. It's for my dad. And it's actually these Muji pens. I don't know if you guys have used these before, but they're literally like the best pens ever. They're Japanese and I love how they write. And my dad loves Japanese stationery, so I got him this. And hold on, got his little gift bag here. So I'm gonna give him like this little notebook, Japanese notebook. I got his card. And he loves Snoopy as well, so I got him this cute little Snoopy keychain. Thought that that would be cute. And then I also made some stickers for him, some Puerto Rico stickers, because we're very, very Puerto Rican and he loves anything that has to do with Puerto Rico. So I got him that, or I made him those. And then I'm just gonna add the pens in there as well. And that's his little gift. I'm so excited to give it to him. Okay, so I'm currently switching out my bag. Not switching out my bag, I'm cleaning out my bag and I'm switching out my wallet. This is the current wallet that I'm using. I got this from Five Below and I just added this little air tag that I had floating around in my purse, but I don't really like it that much. I don't know, it's not really like matching my bag or like the stuff that I have in my bag. Like I switched my Lippy bag to this pink Kuromi and My Melody one that I got from Daiso, which, oh my gosh, I don't think that they sell stuff online anymore. I tried to buy stuff online recently and it was like nothing was available to buy online. It was crazy. But yeah, I'm between this wallet, which is this really cute My Melody one that I got from Miniso, I believe. Yeah, I got this from Miniso. If it would focus, oh my goodness, there it is. She's cute and I like that it's like a button and it's like a little accordion style. I don't know, I think that it's cute. I don't know, I'm thinking about using that one or maybe this one, this Kuromi one that's black, matches my bag. I don't know, which one should I use, guys? Let me know. Hi guys, so we got some more packages. I'm really excited to open these. One of them is, of course, a phone case. Hold on, let me prep you guys or put you guys somewhere. I have this really cute box cutting knife. What the heck? So cute. Like that. This is the phone case. Look how cute. It has little cherries and bows and strawberries. I thought that was so cute. I will say the one thing about ordering wildflower cases on Amazon versus like their actual website, they don't come with stickers like the website sends you. They come very much by just themselves. But still cute. Here she is. Very cute. I love her. And this is one that I currently have on. It's the little bears and tutu one. I'm just gonna switch it out. one of the main reasons that I got this was because I wanted to use the bag for my emergency kit in my purse. But it's a little bit big, so I don't know if I'm gonna use it or not. I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you updated on that. But it comes with the perfume, the lotion, and that's the body wash here in the corner. It's so cute. I love it. I love that it's all pink. Okay, so if you know, I have an emergency kit already in my bag, but I wanted to like low-key take this bag and make it into my emergency kit or something. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. It comes with like this like card in there. I think I'm just gonna take it out. And oh, I just noticed that this is like a little tabby thingy. It's so cute. Aw, I think that's so cute. Okay, so you open it, and I like that it opens all the way like that. Like it opens like all the way like this. So yeah, this is the perfume, and it's in the number 68. This one smells really good. This is one of my favorite ones actually. And then here is the body wash. If it would focus. Oh my gosh. Hello? Okay, this is the body wash. Just trust me, it's the body wash. Take out the card. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Is it? It's really not that much bigger than my like current emergency pouch, so hopefully everything I want to fit in there fits in there. And I like that it's clear so I can see everything. Ooh, I have quite a bit of stuff in here. I have my Glossier U in there, some Band-Aids. I recently put this in my bag. It's this little Kuromi plastic bag that I got from Daiso, and I just put some flossers in there because you never know when you need to get something out of your teeth. I have my Dude wipes, which I might add like another one in there just in case. My Lumi deodorant, very important, all over body deodorant. I have some more perfume samples. I have my Vicks Vapo inhaler. I have some nausea medication. This is my little aspirin tin that has like my crazy pills in them. I have this really cute Starface times Hello Kitty. I don't want it to fall out, but I have Hello Kitty pimple patches in there underneath the blue ones. And it comes with a little mirror, so that's why that's in there, because of the mirror. And you never know when you're gonna need a pimple patch, so I just figured that I would keep it in there. And then I of course have 2 tampons, because you never know. So let's see if we can make everything fit in here. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my god, I almost forgot about my little mini tweezers. These are very important for the pimple patches. Okay, so everything fit in there pretty well. I have my Dude wipes, my pimple patches, my deodorant. I even fit the mini perfume that it came with. I put it in there. I have an even minier like lotion version of this one. It's like the mama and the baby, so cute. But yeah, I just have the big one, or like the medium sized one, because there's an even bigger one than this, I think. And then I have like the super mini sized one for my purse. And I'm probably gonna put some of this in here whenever I run low of this. And yeah, that's probably what I'll do. But yeah, I fit everything in the baggie. I have my flossers back here. And yeah, that is my new emergency kit. I'm so excited, it's so cute. I'm really hoping that this fits my AirPods, because it says AirPods Pro 2 and AirPods Pro, so I hope it fits. We're gonna find out now. But if you're wondering, I got this off of Amazon. Super cute. It's Miffy. I love Miffy. Everything is in like Japanese, but still so cute. Here's the current case that I have on it. It's super cute too. It's a little strawberry shortcake. So I just have the regular AirPods Pro. I don't have the AirPods Pro 2, so it doesn't have like all of the stuff on the bottom. Oh my gosh, so cute. Stop. Okay, I'm obsessed with that. That's actually really cute. Okay, it also came with a little little chain, I guess, that you can attach to it. I'm gonna put it on just cause. Okay, so we got one other package that I was really excited about. It's actually from Temu. My boyfriend actually ordered a few things. He orders like Temu stuff every once in a while. And I'm so excited because he ordered me some pink mailers. They're not really, oh, are they bubbles? Oh yeah, they do have bubbles. They're bubble mailers. And this is like a perfect size for Sony Angels in case I do end up trading. Adding is this really cute Kuromi, whatever you want to call her. It's a little purse chain slash keychain. I think she is so cute. She has little bows on her ears. This one is a little bit messed up. Hold on. There we go. There we go. Super cute. I'm probably gonna put her on my purse. I have the Miffy right now, but I'm probably gonna put the Kuromi because she's really cute. So I have that one. I also got this My Melody one. Hold on, let me take it out of the bag. It's a little My Melody. That's her. You can also hang her from your bag or something. I don't know what I'm gonna do with her yet, but she's very cute and fluffy. The next thing is this makeup bag, actually. And I do plan to use this for my makeup because I don't really carry like that much makeup on me when I do travel. Just open it like this. It's about 7 inches long. And I think like 3 inches high, I think. This is the design. It has little cherries on it and a little Hello Kitty patch. I just thought that was so cute. This is another little hanging thing. Oh, it's so cute. It's handmade and you actually have to tie it like up here. You tie it onto like whatever you want to hang it on. This is good for like a car. If I had a car, I would definitely hang this in my car. But I think I'm gonna hang it from my beach bag because it matches my beach bag a little bit better. I'll show you guys in a little bit when I do put it on. But this is it. It has 3 Hello Kitties, has 10 Hello Kitties and a regular Hello Kitty in the middle. I just thought it was so cute. A lot of the stuff was literally like $3 to $5 from Temu. Like Temu's really cheap. The next thing is actually for our kitchen. And the only reason that I'm showing it is because it's pink. Look how cute it is. It's pink. It has blue buttons and it has like a little kickstand and you can stand it up like this. Or it has a magnet that you can just like stick it onto your stove or fridge or whatever you want. Next thing, my boyfriend picked this out for me actually. And it's so cute. It's this little Korilakuma pin. I collect pins in case you didn't know. If you want to see a pin collection video, let me know. I'll do that because I do have quite a bit. But let me take it out of the bag. And that's it. It's just Korilakuma holding a strawberry and wearing like little bunny ears. I think that's super cute. And the last thing is jingling. Hold on. This is like the very last thing that I got. And I think I'm gonna hang it off of my phone actually. It's a Korilakuma bear charm for your phone. And it has a little peach down here, as you can see. Very cute. I'm gonna hang it from my phone. Like this. Okay, so here's an overview of my haul. Everything that I got today. Super cute. I love it so much. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Okay, here's the tote, like beach bag I was telling you guys about that I was gonna put the keychain on. Look how cute it looks. It's perfect. The only thing is that like it has these little strings sticking out. So if you know like a way to possibly hide them, or I don't even know what to do with them. Like I don't want to cut them because then if I want to take this off one day, it's gonna be difficult to transfer to another bag or to my car that I might have one day, crossing my fingers. But yeah, like this is how it looks. Very cute. I think it matches perfectly because it's a beach bag slash pool bag and it's got little tan kitties. Oh my gosh. By the way, this bag is really nice. I got it from Walmart for like $17. And I like that it has this pocket here so I could put my phone, my wallet, my keys and stuff like that. And then it also has pockets on the inside. Like it has a zipper pocket and 2 pockets over there. So yeah, This is a cute, and it also cinches on the sides. Like you can make it smaller. It's very cute. Yeah, Walmart girl, check it out. Rilakkuma and Korilakkuma. Look how cute that is. I love it. But yeah, I'm gonna wear this out because I don't want to mess up my hair. It's really humid. It's gonna rain. And yeah.